Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get early access of Grow a Garden Part 2. Okay guys, basically Grow a Garden 2 is the upcoming sequel to Roblox massively popular farming game, Grow a Garden. Just like the original, you buy seeds, plant crops, wait for them to grow and sell them for profit, but Grow a Garden 2 aims to be much bigger. And from the information that I got, Grow a Garden 2 is rumored to be a much larger and more competitive version of the original Grow a Garden, with players speculating about bigger plots, new seeds and mutation, more paths and gear, guild systems, expanded trading, and even nighttime mechanics where other players can raid or steal crops from your garden. Well, most details haven't been officially confirmed yet, but you can see the trailer from the Grow a Garden Discord server, guys. You can join Grow a Garden official Discord server. And if you want to get early access, you can go to the server and go to the announcement. And the admin of Grow a Garden has just released group. You can join this group to get early access like this. You can open this channel of the Grow a Garden server and select this link. And you can click on enter the garden here. And you need to log in with your Roblox account. You can log in with your Roblox account here. I've already logged in, and then if you want to get early access to unlock the garden 1 hour early, you need to invite 5 new friends. You can copy the link and ask your friend to click the link so they will be invited to the Grow a Garden 2. And you can see the trailer right here, guys, if you want to know the preview. Okay guys, and that's how you can get early access of Grow a Garden 2 in Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!